Hey guys, Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday. Super excited. It is my favorite day of couponing because you guys know how much I love couponing at CVS. There's obviously a lot of great deals, some easy freebies, and it is our last week of Beauty Bucks. So you want to make sure that you're stocking up on as many beauty product deals as you can. Get those Beauty Bucks back so you can use them next week. So if you're new to this channel, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, real quick, hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell to all. That way, every time I post a new video about amazing deals that you can do almost every single day, you'll be notified and you can take advantage of them before the deals and the sales are over. This video is also sponsored by Rebate Key. I know I mention them all the time to you guys. I use that website constantly. Anytime I need something for the house, Christmas gifts, obviously, I've mentioned that quite a few times. It's an amazing website. So link is below in the description box. You're gonna click it and get signed up. It's completely free. Then you can either sort by highest discount. That's how you're gonna get all the freebies first. So they will offer you up to 100% cash back. No reviews or anything are required. What you do is purchase the product. It's typically an Amazon product. Sometimes it's on Chewy or another website. When you purchase the product, you pay for it out of pocket. You'll submit your Amazon order number onto Rebate Key, then confirm the rebate and you will get your cash back, whatever the amount is that the rebate says, up to 100% in 35 days. So I've been using it and stocking up on a ton of products for the baby shower and lots of good products for Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers, things like that I can stock up on super cheap, not have to pay full price. So definitely try Rebate Key. Link is below again in the description box, as well as the printable breakdown and all the referral codes to the different rebate apps that I use. Inside, we're gonna be using Flues to pay for our out-of-pocket cost so we can get some additional cash back. And don't forget, I do have my 3-day live couponing workshop that is going to be available. It starts November 8th, 9th, and 10th. So it's gonna be 3 live classes. They will be recorded, so if you miss any of the classes, you can always watch the replay. What I did is combine my beginner-friendly class, my advanced couponing class, and I added a 3rd bonus day to teach you how to make $100 by the holidays. So typically the 2 classes would have been $40. I'm now doing 3 classes. $30 gets you all 3 live classes. So if you want to learn how I put together my deals, my transactions, how to coupon in general, and how to make some extra money by the holidays, definitely click the link in the description box and get signed up. Ending date is going to be November 7th at about 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That way I have enough time to send you the Zoom links so you can join me live at November 8th, 9th, and 10th. We already have 17 people who have signed up, so I'm super excited. Love to have you as well. My goal is to help 100 people learn how to coupon and learn how to save hundreds of dollars every single month. Just imagine whatever your household budget is, say it's $200 for the month. Imagine in November being able to get all the products you need for only $100. So you'll be able to make your money back from the live classes in just your first month, which is amazing. So let's go inside and take advantage of some amazing deals this week at CVS. So let's start with, of course, an amazing moneymaker deal. I'm gonna grab 2 of the hauls. They're actually a little more expensive than I thought. They're $2.99 now. Buy one, get one half off. So if you printed the previous coupons for $1.50 off one that were available on coupons.com, use 2 of these. Checkout 51 also has a rebate for $1 back each. Swagbucks has a rebate for $1 back each as well. So if you don't have any of these coupons, your final cost is gonna be 48 cents for both bags or 24 cents a bag. With the coupons, it's free and a $2.51 moneymaker. Now I'm gonna grab 2 packs of diapers for the baby shower I have coming up. So they are for Pampers, spend 20, get a $5 extra buck, and they're 2 for $22. So that saves you about, what, like $1.79 or so, or $2.79 per pack. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these, use the 3 off 2 Pampers digital coupon. I also have a 4 off 20 baby care CRT that I'm gonna use. So I'll pay $10 or I'm sorry, I'll pay $15 plus tax out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck, makes my final cost $10 for 2 bags or $5 a piece. Here's another great moneymaker deal. So Summer's Eve is part of a promotion. Buy one, get one half off. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. So I'm gonna grab 2 of them. That'll bring me to $5.98. In our 926 Smart Source, we have $1.50 off 2 coupons. Then I also got 2 of these $2 off 2 Summer's Eve CRTs. So I'm gonna use both of them. I should be paying about 48 cents plus taxes out of pocket. Getting back a $3 extra buck makes it free and a $2.52 moneymaker. Now let's grab some makeup products. So I'm gonna do the CoverGirl deal. Spend $15, get a $7 extra buck. It is a limit of 2. I'm only gonna do it once though. I'm gonna grab one of these Outlast lips right here. This one is $11.29. We do have a $1 CoverGirl lip digital coupon and a $2 CoverGirl lip app only coupon. So you're only gonna find that on the CVS app. Then I'm gonna grab one of these mascaras above for $8.59. That way I can use this $2 CoverGirl Eye digital coupon. And that brings me to $19.88 worth of products. So I can use my 6 off 20 CoverGirl CRT because my store does follow the 98% rule. And I almost forgot, I have this $3 CRT as well for any Almay or any CoverGirl cosmetics. So I'm gonna use that too. So now my final cost, or I'm gonna be paying out of pocket for both of these products. They were $19.88 after all coupons and CRTs. I'm gonna pay just $5.88 plus tax. Then I'm gonna get back a $7 extra buck, makes it free and a small money maker. I'm also gonna hit beauty, giving me back another $3 beauty buck, which makes my final cost for this deal alone free and a $4.12 moneymaker. And I'm really excited to try this color lip. I think it's gonna look really nice. It's supposed to last all day as well, so we'll see. I'm also gonna do the Maybelline deal, which is buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. Does say it excludes baby lips and the mono eyeshadow, so just keep that in mind. One thing I'm gonna grab is one of these Fit Me blushes for $6.49. We do have $2 off coupons. It says any one Maybelline New York product. So this is linked in the printable breakdown. The other product I'm gonna grab is one of these eyebrow or eyeliner pencils for $5.19. We do also have a $2 digital coupon for any Maybelline product. We also all got this $3 off one Maybelline cosmetic mystery coupon. So it wound up being $3. Definitely make sure you either send this to your card in the app or print it at the red box. So now I'm gonna wind up paying $4.68 plus tax out of pocket for both of these products, but then I'm gonna get back a $5 extra buck. That makes these as well completely free and a 32-cent moneymaker. Here's a great deal on lotion. Select Aquaphor or Eucerin or spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. I'm gonna grab this Daily Hydration because they're out of this one. It's $11.79. Click this $2 digital coupon. You can also use a 2 off 12 Eucerin CRT or check if you have a 4 off 20 lotion CRT. Also gonna grab one of these skin calming for $9.79. We do have $2 printable coupons linked below in the description box as well in the printable breakdown. So definitely get this printed. So that's gonna save me $6. I'll wind up paying $15.58 plus tax out of pocket. Then I'm gonna get back a $10 extra buck and another $3 beauty buck. So that gives me back $13, makes my final cost $2.58 for 2 bottles of lotion, which is an amazing deal. There's also 2 deals on Ibotta to look out for. If you can find a Mountain Dew Zero Sugar, they're $2.39 at my store. Ibotta's gonna give you back $1.98, so it's not a freebie, makes it 40 cents, but it's an easy Ibotta rebate. There's also a freebie back on the Rowdy Energy. They don't have it anywhere at my store though, so definitely double check. There's also 2 deals on Ibotta to look out for. If you can find a Mountain Dew Zero Sugar, They're $2.39 at my store. Ibotta is going to give you back $1.98, so it's not a freebie, makes it 40 cents, but it's an easy Ibotta rebate. There's also a freebie back on the Rowdy Energy. They don't have it anywhere at my store though, so definitely double check. Now, this week's household deal is spend $30, get a $10 extra back. So what I'm gonna do is grab one of these Draft. I'm also gonna put this in the baby shower gift basket. We do have a $3 digital coupon. Then I'm gonna grab one of these large Tide liquids for $11.94. We also have a $3 off one digital coupon. Then I'm gonna grab one of these Gain liquids down here for $4.94. We have this $1 off one digital coupon. And I'm gonna grab one of these Tide Pods here for $4.94. We also have this $1 off one Tide digital coupon. So our total for all 4 of these products is $33.76. This is an all digital deal as well. I also have a 10 off 70 any purchase CRT. So these are gonna go into that transaction because I don't have any other spend amount CRTs that I'm using. There are $8 in digital coupons, so this deal alone, you would pay $25.76, get back a $10 extra buck, makes it $15.76 for all 4 products. All right, we're back in from CVS. I was gonna use that 10 off 70 any purchase CRT, but for some reason, Fetch Rewards has been so slow giving me my gift cards. So I needed to cash in for a $25 gift card to be able to lower my out-of-pocket cost on that transaction because I didn't have enough extra bucks to cover it, but it wasn't working. So it would have been like a $30 out-of-pocket cost, which you guys know I am not about a high out-of-pocket. So I am gonna be teaching you guys also in that workshop how to keep your out-of-pocket super low every single time you go couponing. So there is an art to it and everything. So I wanna teach that to you guys because I never wanna spend $30 out of pocket. Like that's a lot. I wanna feel like I'm saving amount of money and saving good money, getting some good deals. So I teach that in that couponing workshop as well. So what I had to do is break it up into 3 transactions. So my first transaction, I did the paparazzi, I did the hauls, the buy one, get one half off. I did the Summer's Eve products. Here's another paparazzi. Doesn't look like any of them rang in at, one of them I had gotten was on clearance. So it doesn't look like it rang in on clearance though, unfortunately. I did the Maybelline and the CoverGirl, so tons of beauty deals in this transaction. These are the paper coupons that I gave, the digital coupon for the CoverGirl, 6 off 20 CoverGirl, $3 off Maybelline, $3 off CoverGirl. Come on, there we go. What else? Both of the 2 off 2 Summer's Eve, $2 off any CoverGirl lip, that's the app only coupon. Then I rolled extra bucks and beauty bucks from last week, paid $8.98 with a gift card. So if you don't have Fetch Rewards gift cards, what I recommend is get a Flues gift card. Use my code Bree Coupon Queen 21. You'll get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back. So then what you can do, buy a $10 gift card. You'll get back $3.75. You can use that gift card to cover the cost of this transaction if you happen to do the exact same things that I did. So that is what I do with Fetch Rewards gift cards. CVS is my favorite place to use them. Then I did the Pampers and the Eucerin. I really wanted to use that 10 off 70. It would have saved me so much, but again, it's not worth it if my out-of-pocket is so high. So then I used extra bucks from my first transaction, paid $16.08 with 2 gift cards to cover that, so I didn't have to pay anything out of pocket. And my last transaction, I just went ahead and stocked up on the laundry product deal. So I did the PG deal. This one I did pay $3.19 out of pocket on my credit card. I did use the rest of a Fetch Rewards gift card on this one, so I didn't have to pay anything out of pocket on that part. So it only cost me $3.19 for 4 things of laundry products. And of course the draft I'm gonna be putting in that baby shower gift basket. I think it's important to include at least one of the drafts. That way if they need to wash their baby clothes, obviously with that they can. So when I put together my baby shower gift baskets, I always like to have like a variety of things. Obviously a ton of diapers, baby wipes, things like that. But I like to also put in the Oragel teething tablets that I had gotten for free at Walmart, adding those in the gift basket. Some little like shampoo, body wash, bubble bath, Johnson & Johnson lotion, all that kind of stuff. I like to put it in there just so it's like a nice, well-rounded gift basket. If you guys have any questions or anything, drop a comment below. Don't forget to smash the like button on this video, and I will see you next time.